So back in February of 2024, I had this beautiful brand called Sun Gods. It was a bohemian Afro-chic lifestyle and women's apparel brand to where I had it for 7 years. And around this time, God would tell me to sit down my business, literally pause it, for there were some things he wanted to tell me about life, spirituality, my business, the name of my brand, and some of the things that I was selling within it. Anyone who knows me knows that Sun Gods was my baby. I cherished it with my whole heart, mind, body, and soul. But once God had me dive into his word and learn more about the name of my brand and some of the things I was selling in it, I knew I would have to sit it down. And when he led me to pause the brand, I knew there was so much more that he had to tell me.